Figured I'd give you guys a little update on our Chinese snake bean. This thing is going crazy. You can see that it has a beautiful flower right here. And I got a close-up or two of those. But you see here it's looking really healthy. It's sending out lots of different branches here, and everything is grabbing onto the support and really just working up it. So we found a good spot for it in the garden, and right now I'm excited to see how that finishes. And honestly guys, really interesting thing about this plant, when you touch it, it smells nutty. It smells like some form of nut, and it is just sweet and wonderful, and it's got a great aroma when you're messing with the plant. So if you have one of these plants, check it out. It is really neat. But looking forward to seeing how that develops. But it's looking really good and really healthy, and you can see that beautiful, beautiful flower right there. Just so unique.